reside in Spain for 10 years. However, there are also some exceptions. If you are a political refugee, you will only have to reside in Spain for 5 years. If you are from Latin America, Andorra, Philippines, Equatorial Guinea, Portugal, or for Sephardic people, for 2 years people who are born in a Spanish territory have been subject to legal guardianship, under the supervision of a guardian, or foster care. Foster care allows the reduction of minimum legal residence to 1 year in which the child has been fostered and legally recognized, a Spanish citizen or institution for 2 consecutive years, who, at the time of application, have been married for a year to a Spanish person, if they are not separated, legally or in fact, at the time of application, the widow or widower of a Spanish person, if they were not separated, legally or in fact at the time of the death of the spouse, born outside of Spain but with a parent or grandparent who was a Spanish citizen 1 year. Fill in the documentation. In order to fill in the documentation, you will have to go to your residence civil registry. Application. You will have to fill in the application form. You can find it right here. Note that during the process you need to prove that you are a good citizen, and also show your integration in the Spanish society. For example, the basic questions are about your Spanish level and your engagement in social activities to show you are part of Spanish society. Prepare the other documents. These include foreign identity card, family card of the citizen of the European Union or the Central Registration Certificate for Foreigners, passport, certificate of registration in the community, Certificado de Empadronamiento. If you require info about Certificado de Empadronamiento, you can find everything by clicking here. Birth certificate of the person concerned, duly translated and authenticated criminal record in their country of origin, translated and authenticated in accordance with existing or consular conduct international conventions, livelihoods to reside in Spain, employment contract, payroll, employment report from the Treasury of Social Security, or any other evidence. Wait for the documents. Once you have filled out all the paperwork required of you in the registry, this will be in charge of sending the case to the General Department of Nationality and Civil Status, Directorate General of Registries and Notaries. When your file is received, you will be notified in writing. Once informed, where appropriate, the granting of Spanish nationality must perform the subsequent steps in the civil